In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bills in Xero, a vital task for keeping your finances organized and up to date. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the steps to ensure you're entering bills efficiently and correctly. So let's dive right in. First, head to your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon perched at the upper right-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. This area of Xero is where you'll initiate most tasks, so it's a helpful spot to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a drop-down menu presenting several options. From this list, select Bill. This selection will lead you to a new page specifically for entering the details of your bill. It's important to make sure you're in the right section, as entering information correctly can save you time and prevent errors down the line. Now that you're on the bill entry page, it's time to input the details of the bill. This step is crucial for maintaining clear and accurate records. Begin by adding the supplier details for the bill. If the supplier is already in your Xero system, you can simply start typing their name, and it should auto-complete for convenience. If the supplier is new, however, you'll need to enter their details manually. After suppliers have been identified, proceed to input the date of the bill. This might seem minor, but ensuring the date accurately reflects when the bill was issued is critical for tracking your cash flow and liabilities. The due date is also something you'll want to input, as this will help you manage your accounts payable efficiently. Next, move to the section where you'll itemize what's included in the bill. Detail the description, quantity, and price for each product or service. These fields help provide transparency, not only for tracking expenses, but also if you need to refer back to past transactions for audits or reconciling issues. Be sure to double-check for any sales tax that may apply, as this will affect the overall total of the bill. Once every detail is entered and you're satisfied everything is correct, you can review the summary at the bottom of the screen. It offers a quick glance to confirm all the financial data you've entered, ensuring nothing was mistakenly left out or entered inaccurately. When you're certain everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button, and there you have it. Your bill is now entered into Xero. Keeping on top of your bills helps streamline your financial processes and keeps your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made entering bills in Xero a breeze. Be sure to check in for more tips to maximize your Xero experience.